Vufine Plus. The next invention that you see on the screen doesn't have an intricate design and doesn't represent any unique and incredible idea. On the contrary, Vufine Plus is just a compact device that helps you keep the screen of your favorite gadget in view. However, you'll be surprised to learn how many new features this device offers. The manufacturer claims that it'll help you unlock the full potential of all of your gadgets. Do you want to see a news summary while you make your breakfast? You no longer need to look at your phone or tablet screen. Just connect your phone to the gadget with a wire, place it on your glasses, and then the screen will be right in front of you. At the same time, you can still see what's happening in front of you and around you. Therefore, Vufine Plus shows you any information while your hands are busy. It can also be used to control a drone, since Vufine Plus will display the image in real time. And of course, the device will increase driver's safety. You can check your route without even taking your eyes off the road. You can buy this wonderful device at a price starting from $170.